Hey, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money online without paying anything. And this is part 2 of part 1 video. In this video, I'm going to walk you more on what you need to do in order to be able to do it. Okay, as on the other video, I give you some ideas, I give you some videos for you to take action. I recommend you watch first the first video and then watch this one. So before we get started into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I will reply to you and get back to you. Don't forget and just comment whatever you want there as well. Ask me anything and I will get back to you. All right, so here's what we're going to do. The very first thing we got to do is we got to pick a product, okay? We got to choose a product to promote. Now, on the other video, I talked to you about going into Google Trends and finding what people are searching for and then provide them with the solution, with the product, okay? This is the best approach you can do. The other way you can do, it's also pick a product that you love, okay? Now, for you to pick a product, let me give you some ideas. First of all, this idea right here, which is you come to Google and you can promote whatever you love or whatever that you like. And basically what you want to be doing, and you can be promoting, digital products, softwares. You could be promoting makeup for women, pet stuff, yoga stuff, meditation. And what you want to be doing is you come to Google and you search, let's say, meditation, and then you want to type in affiliate program after what you want to promote. And when you press enter on Google, it's going to show up so many programs that you can join and promote, okay? For instance, I'm going to click this one right here, which is a program. It tells you how much you get paid, okay? The commission, you get paid, the payments, how it is, and you can just come here, sign up, and become an affiliate for them, right? You can basically, whatever you want to promote, and then you type in affiliate program after. So let's say, let me give another example of a tool where you can promote, like for instance, Bluehost, which is a program where people can host their website, their blog. It's a program which I promote as well, which is for hosting websites. So Bluehost, we can put Bluehost, and then we type in affiliate program, right? Like so, and then enter. And then here it is, the affiliate program of Bluehost is going to prompt up. And here it is, and it says refer your readers to Bluehost with your affiliate link and earn $65 for each qualified hosting purchase. So for each purchase that the person makes, you make $65, okay? So this is the method, okay? This is the method for you to find all kinds of affiliate programs and then look for them. So for instance, yoga affiliate program, okay? There's going to be so many yoga affiliate programs here, okay? Whatever you're passionate about, whatever you like, type in whatever it is and then affiliate program after, okay? Now let me show you another program where you can find software. If you're looking more for to promote softwares or products that are digital products, this website right here, which is capterra.com. If you come here to categories, there's going to be on the right, you can search here for the category. For example, if you go, if you search for funnel, you have lead magnet software. When you click on it, it's going to show you all kinds of software for lead magnet, okay? And what you can do then is grab the name of the product and then go to Google and type in the name and then affiliate program. And then on this website, you can find all kinds of products where you can promote, like literally thousands of digital products you can promote, right? So this is how I recommend you go ahead and you find a product for you so that you don't pay nothing, because there's so many products you can promote without even buying them first. Although I always recommend you buy first so you can use it and test it. But it's not necessary. You don't have to. So here you can find all kinds of software. Let me give you an example of a product that I promote. So this book right here, this is a Think Grow Rich book movie. Okay. And then you can buy, there's 2 packages here, the 17 and there's upsells and everything. So basically I bought this movie for $17 and they have an affiliate program. So I decided to promote. Okay. And I've started promoting this in a few days ago. And I'm already promoting. And as you can see, I already made $81 here with this program only. Okay, so just to show you that this thing of promoting other products and other people's products as an affiliate does work amazing. And this is just one example here, okay? And then step number 2 is you're going to sign up for the affiliate program for that product, okay? For instance, Bluehost right here, you would go ahead and click sign up and you create your account and then you grab your affiliate link from it. Now, once you grab your affiliate link and once you have it ready, then step number 3 is you're going to start promoting the product on social media to start earning. Promoting a product directly to a person or just online is not as effective as if you have a system in place where you capture the user email and then you follow up. And also you're not losing traffic, you're grabbing their email. So what I always recommend to people do, and I'm going to show you how you can do this for free, is build a funnel like this. This funnel is the opt-in page over here and I'm going to show you a program where you can build a funnel and be collecting emails for free to give it a start. So you have an opt-in page where people land here, they enter their email to go to the next page, which is the bridge page, where you have a video of yourself talking a little bit about the product or a video of somebody else talking about the product. And then you go ahead and you send them emails about these products. And then once they click here to buy now, they go to the sales page, or what I like to do best is have them contact you and then you send them to the sales page, because when you connect with people one-on-one, it converts better. So you make more conversions. So instead of you sending just directly to a sales page, which is okay if you want to do that route, but if you want to make more sales, but it's more time consuming, is you send them from the bridge page to contact you, maybe to Messenger or whatever, so that you can then talk about a little bit more about the product and then send them to the sales page, okay, so they can go ahead and buy once they already opted in. So this is what I would definitely recommend you do to get started to promote. Now, the program that I use to do this, it's called Builderall. It's this website right here, allinonemarketingplatform.com. Now, this website, it costs for you to have this tool and to be able to do all of this. But this is what I use. Now, if you want a free route, a free way to do it, then I've discovered this software right here just a moment ago, which is SystMe. And I've heard some people talk about systme.io. And then I went here to pricing, because here on pricing, they have a free version where you have 1,000 contacts. So you can collect up to 1,000 contacts. And that's enough to get the ball rolling and get some sales, right? And then you have, and you can build 3 sales funnels for free. Okay. You can do that to build here your opt-in page, and then your bridge page, where you have a video talking a little bit about the product, introducing yourself. This pre-frames people before they go to the sales page or before they get in touch with you right here. And then you have emails following up them about talking about the product that you are promoting. Now, some affiliate programs already have the follow-up in place, and some of them even have all this system in place where they're gonna capture the email and everything for you, and they'll collect and you'll have access to those emails and everything. So maybe you don't need none of this if the affiliate program already have, but if you want to do it right, I mean, I would definitely go and do this, because you're collecting the emails, you know what you're doing. It's just more effective, okay? And the thing with this page right here is the sales page. When the people click here on the buy button, they go to the link where you sign up for the affiliate program. That's what you have here, right? And then if you go to the route of them contacting you, then you would send them the affiliate link so they can sign up and pay. Once they pay, you make commissions, right? Now that you have the system in place to promote and everything, now you need to promote the product. And what I recommend you do is, one of the options, which is what I find to be the fastest way possible, is using TikTok, because you can get a lot of views really fast. And what you want to be doing is, depending on what product you picked to promote, you want to do content around that product. For instance, I promote make money online products, and therefore I make videos related to making money online. All about making money online, teaching them tricks and strategies, ways they can make money online. And then at the end of the video, I tell them that there's a better way where they can make much more money using affiliate marketing. And then I tell them that the link in my bio, and then I have the link over here where they take action on it, and some schedule a call with me and some go to the sales page. Okay, so this is what you want to be doing. Now, here on my YouTube channel, if you come here to this thing right here where you do the search, and if you type in TikTok, it's going to prompt you so many videos on how you can promote on TikTok, how you can use TikTok as well, right? And the 15-second TikTok video formula. Basically, I walk you through so many ways you can promote on TikTok, and this is where I recommend you watch these videos so you can know how you can promote on TikTok. But in a nutshell, is you doing videos every single day related to the product, and then you attract the right kind of people into your TikTok, and then you send them to the link where they then purchase. So this is the process that you want to go through. It's all about picking the product that you want to promote, do the research, find the product that you want to promote, the one that you feel comfortable, then get the systems in place, and then promote on social media. It doesn't have to be just on TikTok. It can be on other social media platforms, or even can be paid traffic. It's up to you. And by the way, I have a couple of videos here on my YouTube channel showing you how to do paid traffic, free traffic methods. If you search free traffic on my YouTube channel, you will find a lot of videos going through many strategies with Pinterest, even LinkedIn, Facebook, and TikTok and more. TikTok is exploding. I recommend TikTok a lot. So there we go. This is what it takes. Now take massive action on this. It's all about deciding on one product and just focus on building the system and just working on it every single day, and be consistent and have a plan of action. This is very important. You have a plan of action where you tell, okay, this month I want to make 3 sales of this product, and then every day you work towards it. Okay, there's going to be days that maybe you get no sales, get no leads, nobody goes to your link, but that's okay. Don't give up. Just keep moving forward, relentless action, because this thing about making money online, it's not all beautiful roses. There's going to be tough days. It requires for you to do things that you don't like to do, but it's part of the process. And the good thing about this is that in the beginning, it takes so much effort, but then as you grow and as you become better, as you have more skill set, then everything will become much easier for you, okay? Now, let me give you another tip here with TikTok. When doing the videos, if you could connect with people and tell them why you do what you do, because people buy the why you do it, and they normally buy because of you, not because of the product. So when doing the videos, always focus first, start with the why. This is very important. You start with why you're doing what you're doing. That way people can feel and connect with you on a heart level. And when this happens, it goes into your emotional part of the brain, reptilian brain, and then which is emotion, the heart connection. When you connect with people on the heart level, they tend to take action. Okay, so tell them why you do it. For instance, I do these videos because I really love helping people make money online, because it makes me really happy. Because the reason is because when I started, I was looking for other people to teach me how to make money online, and I was so grateful because they actually taught me, and today I'm, I travel, I have fun, I make recurring income on a monthly basis. Every day I make commissions. So because I was able to learn from others, and I'm so grateful for these people that teach me these skills. And the same way that I want to help my audience so they can be able to do it as well and achieve that. And that's the best thing ever for me when I hear testimonials of people. Oh, Fabio, I make my first commission. It's all because of you. Thank you so much. Oh, Fabio, now, and then people going from, making, quitting their job and things like that. Man, it's so amazing. And that's why I do it. And if you can put these why you do it on the videos, it's going to really help you blow up. Okay. And test different types of videos, different branches of videos. I mean, watch the videos that I have here on my YouTube channel about TikTok. It will give you some great ideas. So there we go. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you. All right, and below I'm gonna leave a way for you to make money within 48 hours with paid advertisement, and you also do it with free traffic methods. If you are relentless and take massive action on this, it's really amazing. It's how I make money online. The link will be in the description. All right, I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. Thank you. Have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself, work on yourself, trust yourself. And you got this. Stay blessed, and I will see you next time.